How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of hickeys, a simple tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So for this, you're going to need a coin, any coin, a quarter, a nickel, a dime, it doesn't matter, a coin of some sort, or a spoon. So it can be either or, coin or spoon. I like to use a spoon just because everyone should have a spoon in the kitchen. So get the spoon, pretend this is the spoon. Now, to get rid of a hickey, all you're going to do, wherever the hickey is, most hickeys are on the neck, all you're going to do is you're going to rub it back and forth, just like this. You're going to rub it for about 3 to 4 minutes straight. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. What will happen is after you've rubbed it for 3 to 4 minutes, your skin's going to get a little bit red. That's fine. Redness will go away in about 10 minutes, but that hickey will also go away. So how does this work? How is this possible? A hickey is just a bruise. So a bruise, that's all it is, just a bruise. Now, what happens with a bruise is if you leave a bruise within about a week, it will go away by itself if you do nothing. What we do when we rub this back and forth is we create friction. We actually create blood flow. We're creating blood flow to that area, and that speeds up the healing like this. Literally heals it in front of your eyes. And this works because I've done this numerous times. This does work, you guys. It works very, very easy. If you did it for 3 minutes and it's still just a little bit still there, just literally repeat the process for maybe 2 minutes and then it will be completely gone. Again, all we're doing is we're just getting blood flow when we rub. That's all we're doing. We're just creating blood flow, and that's what we want to heal it quicker. Super simple to do. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.